I eat too much food. This week I kind of fixed it. I have to fix it. This isn't for fun. This is my daily, and it's broken. And yeah, I'm gonna fix it. At least kinda. Trooper. Well, guys, it looks like not only my soup can fixed for a flex pipe failed, but it gets worse. I eat too much food. Oh shit. Yeah. Alrighty. So for my first magic trick, I'm gonna fit under the truck here. I'm gonna remove this belling wire, and then I'm gonna sawzall this one little piece of bolt off that's holding on this resonator pipe. And with any luck, it'll fall. Hey, that wasn't too bad. Alright, so I got this bolt cut out. This one, Jesus kind of took the wheel on this one, so this one. Alright, so I'm gonna knock these out of here. This is still just chilling on this hanger, which I might be able to just kick out. We'll see. Yep. So this will come out of the truck. We're not gonna worry about that right now. There's a soup can holding the muffler end on, and we're not gonna worry about that. I just want a pipe connected to here because I'm sick of it. So my next step here is to remove these flange bolts. This is an Ohio truck, so if you're not from around these parts, then you might not understand. But I'm going to attempt to beat these through, so you might as well get comfortable. Find yourself a nice indoor-outdoor recliner and sit in the forward position. Got one out of there. Let's see if this one will do the same. Keep a constant rhythm. Got the other one out of there. So now in a hackery fashion, I'm not using spring bolts, which this should have. I'm just going to use bolts that whatever I could find in the garage. That lined up. Some random bolts over here. We're gonna get these dollied in place. Should be fine. Couple washers. This other bolt setup, some random bolt and nut combo I found laying around. and steal it off of anybody's cards. Not like that. Just gonna get these snugged up hand so I can force a wrench on them. Get this flange to kind of sit in a certain way that I want it to sit. Okay, it's technically sitting. Here's a closer look at my configuration here. So you can see, got a bolt on each side of the flange. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that down. Alright, so this one probably could have used some more washers, but it's more on there than it was. So I kind of have an exhaust system. Therefore, this week I kind of fixed it. Also, if you guys want to subscribe, and I kind of fixed it on YouTube and TikTok and all that fun stuff, maybe I could get paid for showing you my hackery, and I don't have to lay in this gravel anymore. So thanks for watching. I kind of fixed it this week as I worked on my 2011 F-150 daily driver. It's not quiet, but it's quieter, and that's what I was aiming for. Resonator split in half, flex pipes, a soup can. But you know what? I'm prouder. I'm not super proud, but that's what we do here, and I kind of fixed it. We just kind of fix things. So, it's a prime example. That's a prime example of what I do. I don't know why I'm showing you under the hood. It's irrelevant. And every episode of I Kind of Fixed It just isn't the same if I don't have the main star of the show here. Gunner, you want some air conditioning? Let's get you some ice cold AC pumping. You got your movie. Gunner, I just want to thank you, Gunner, for all your help this week's episode. Do you have anything to say to the viewers? All right, buddy. Thank you very much.
He's making room for you.
Gunner, we're going to go for a ride. Looks like we're ready to go, dude.